Hey y'all, it's Mary and blue is right here. I got my Boxycharm by Ipsy for June, and there it says it right there. So this is the box. This is a huge box, and I don't know that I have anything in there that's huge. So let's see what's in there. When I did cut it open, so when you open it, it looks like this. This box collapses, which is nice for recycling. And there is a little bit of stuffing in there this time. You never know. And then we have this little booklet to tell us a few things. It says Boxycharm Sunny Days Ahead, June 2024. Start your summer off bright with colors that pop, hydration heroes that keep you glowing, and so much more. And then there's information about Boxycharm in here, and inside, and on the back as well. And it says Mega Drop Shop is on its way July 15th to the 28th. So it'll be here again. It was recently here. And then, you know, they talk about the power picks and things like that. So Boxycharm by Ipsy is 5 full-size items. And you get to, they choose 2 for you, and those are called power picks, and then you get to choose 3. And so let me show you what they chose for me. Okay, Camille, now blue left, and now Camille's here. All right, let me see. Okay, all right, Camille, come on. Well, what am I not seeing? Oh, here we go. Okay, what they chose for me, bums. We've got lots of bums. What they chose for me is First Aid Beauty, which is a great product line. This is the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen. Broad spectrum SPF 30, perfect for the summer, and this is safe for sensitive skin. That's First Aid Beauty. I believe my understanding is it was created for sensitive skin, but anybody can use it. Do you see that fur flying around here? So this is 1.7 mLs, and it is valued at $32, I believe. And let's see what it looks like. Oops, of course, the first thing I do is have to rip the box. You know, that's just, otherwise it wouldn't be me. Oh my goodness, y'all. But First Aid Beauty, anything I've tried from First Aid Beauty has been really nice. And their packaging is nice too. Whoops. This is the bottle, and this comes off. I love their pumps. They always have these nice pumps. So you really, this type of a pump really helps you get out just what you need. So that is nice. And that would probably last all of the summer. So very nice there, $32 for that. And then they also chose for me, and this is the Glam Lash Volumizing Mascara by Laura Geller. I love Laura Geller's products. I use them every day. My base is Laura Geller. I use the powder, her powder, and I use her blush most days. And that's what I have on now. And this is the Volumizing Mascara. And this is beautiful. It does not look familiar to me. I know I've used Laura Geller mascara before, but I don't think I've used this one. Glam Lash Volumizing Mascara. So that's what that looks like. And this is valued at $24. And then I get to pick. So from the first category, I could choose the Half Cake brand mascara. Well, I just got a mascara, so I didn't pick that. Grown Alchemist exfoliant. I love Grown Alchemist products. Briogeo hair care. I don't even remember what it was now, but I have several Briogeo products, and I didn't need any more. There was the brand The Lifestyle perfume, and just Zemina 3-in-1 stick, which was, you know, like lipstick, blush, eyeliner kind of combo thing. And then also this Neogen serum. And Neogen is an excellent skincare brand. You know, in Boxycharm, I like to pick makeup, but it doesn't always work out that way. Boxycharm is $30 a month and $1.99 shipping, so it's really $32 a month. and I buy it by the year, so I get a bit of a discount. This is the Real Hyal Panthenol Serum, 5% Hyal Panthenol Soothing Booster. Helps improve skin texture and boost moisture. So look at that. Doesn't that look cool and refreshing for summer? It's a glass bottle that's frosted, and it's a serum, so it's not real thick at all. And that looks refreshing, very, very much so. So that was my first choice. They always give you, on your choices, they give you 6 items to pick from. Choice number 2 for me was Feel Beauty brand serum. I already have a serum. Real Herb Primer. I never use primers. I use eye primers sometimes, but not a face primer. There was the brand MI-EL Skincare. There was a honey mask that was, I didn't look into it because I wasn't interested in it. It was in a jar, so it might be the type you wash off, or it might be one of those you sleep in. There was Estinage brand lip paint, but it was a nude color. It was a bullet looking lippy, but it looked nude, so I wasn't interested in it. Allure Beauty lip liner. There were 2 of those, and I just recently got some lip liners. And then there was this Game Beauty brushes. Eyes on Me 4 essential eyeshadow brush set. These are really pretty. They are, let's see if we can look at them here. It says 4 everyday brush to paint your pretty peepers with. There's a blend, apply, a smudge, and a detail. Cosmos in your eyes, galaxy in your mind. These are really pretty looking. They're purple handle. And I'm not going to take them out of here, but just to show you closer. Look at the pretty handles. And then look at the tops. The brushes have purple at the tip. Those are really pretty. I'm not sure if I'll use these. I have a lot of brushes. So these are nice though. Oh, look at, this has indentation right here for you to hold the brush, which I really like that. This is a nice handle. Yeah, I may keep these because these are nice. I don't mean to say that I don't keep them if they're not nice, but I just have too many, so I'll probably talk myself out of it. But they're nice. I like when they have a place for you to hold them. So that's what I chose. That's a $25 value. And then category number 3 for me was a let's see, Context Skin brand. It was an eye stick, and you know I don't really like shadows like that. I mean, if I have used them, I have some going, but I hardly ever use them. There was Trust Fund Beauty brand lipstick. There was Refreshments brand, which is from Ipsy. There was a body scrub. It looked like a bar of soap, but it was called a body scrub. There was the brand Steel Skin eye masks. I almost went for that. And then there was KVOS NYC, a highlighter. I have so many highlighters and they last forever, so I didn't get that. And then there was this by Pink Lips. This is a Pink Lips Cosmetics. This is a lippy duo, lip gloss duo. Look how cute that packaging is, y'all. And it says glass lip gloss, aglow, and star. Let's see what they look like. The packaging looks beautiful. The components look really pretty. Look at how pretty that is. So there they are. This one is, let's see, what does that say? Oh, who can read that? Where's my magnifying glass when I need it? Here it is. Here it is. Aglow and Star. Okay, this one is called Aglow, and this one is called Star. These are beautiful, really pretty, beautiful set. So I like that, very pretty. So that's what I got. I got the Neogen. Let's see, we got the Neogen serum, the First Aid Beauty SPF moisturizer, the mascara from Laura Geller, the really pretty brush set, and the beautiful lip gloss set. That is so pretty. I love that. And I also have been getting the last couple of months the Beauty Boost. The Beauty Boost is an additional $15. And I don't see where you can pay for that ahead to save any money. It's just $15. They charge it to me on the 1st of the month, like at midnight. On the 1st of the month, it gets charged $15, and then, you know, the tax, the sales tax. So in the Beauty Boost this month, what they show one item. When they first started the Beauty Boost, it was one item, and I think that they have a certain value, like it's, you know, you're going to double your money, or at least, or something like that. And then for a while now, they give you more than one choice, which is really nice. So they had 5 choices this time. I think it was, well, maybe 6. It was 6. It was 6 because what they offered, what they show you as your Beauty Boost, and then you can change it if you want to, was the Glow Recipe Pomegranate Serum, for valued at $45. So see, you know, $15, it's that 3 times the value of the $15. They also had Purify brand, a flat iron, which was really nice. Ole Henriksen, a 2% acid nighttime, 20% acid nighttime treatment, which was interesting. They had that fresh rose mask that they had last month as the Beauty Boost. It was available then, and so they must have a lot left over because that was available. Dr. Lily, I think it was, Dr. Lily Fan or something like that. There was a serum, and I already got a serum, so I didn't want that. And then they offered Il Makiage. This is a Color Boss Squad. Quad. And I have 2 of these, and I was not at home when I was picking these, and because you pick on the 1st of the month, and I wasn't sure if this was going to be something I already owned, because it looked a lot like something I already owned, but I thought I'll get it anyway. This is a $48 value. It's mirrored, as you can see. It's beautiful packaging, and it is from the Color Boss Squad line. So this one is called the Real Deal. It's multi-dimensional eye color quad, and this is the Real Deal, and it opens beautifully, and there's a mirror on one side, and then here are the colors. Okay, so let me show you. I have 2 of these in the Color Boss Squad, and they are very similar looking. Excuse me, got Camille's fur flying up at me. This one is Call the Shots. So these are all shimmers. And these are, maybe those are all shimmers too. Maybe they're all shimmers. This is, what is this one called? This one is Game Changer. So I already had Call the Shots and Game Changer. See, they're similar, but they're different. If you're a neutral person, you will, you know, you can see the difference there. And then the new one is the Real Deal. So there it is, looking different. This is more of a cool tone, and this is a warmer tone. And then this to me has some cool and warm going on, whereas this one is the warmer tone. That's the new one. So these 2 look like mattes. So they might be. So this is gorgeous. I'm not going to swatch it right now because I may put that in a future giveaway, because I do have these. These are wonderful. They work really, really well. They swatch beautifully, and $48. It'd make a nice giveaway gift. I mean, I can swatch a couple for you right now just to show. It has I'm just using this one from the Game Changer. They're very creamy feeling. They feel wonderful, and they swatch wonderfully, and they just go on so nicely. I should have wore it today, but I had something else on, so I'm not going to swatch that one right now, because like I said, I may put it in a future giveaway. So that is what I got from Ipsy. Boxycharm by Ipsy. I say it wrong every time. Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'll take some pictures and put them on Instagram if you'd like to see this more up close. And y'all, I do have a link below if you're interested in Ipsy or Boxycharm. You can go to that link and join under there. And I do believe that most of the time they have where they give you 600 points to join. And they'll give me 600 points to join. Sometimes they have specials going out where they give more points. I have had people join under me and I don't get the points. It's no big deal to me. Yeah, it would be nice, but if I don't get them, I don't get them. I want you to be happy. I love Ipsy. I love Ipsy and Boxycharm. I get the Glam Bag and I get Boxycharm. I do miss the old Boxycharm because it was a lot different, but I still enjoy it very much. It's my favorite makeup box. It is. So if you're interested, just, or let me know and I can help you with it or whatever. So y'all take care and count your blessings, and it's so good to see y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.